2022 Dodge Challenger. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!